Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is family day, so we are heading out on a road trip. We're going about 2 hours south of us and we're just gonna go on a little adventure. We've packed a picnic and we're just gonna spend some quality time as a family. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel and hanging out with us in the future.
You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
We had no plans on where we were going to stop, but we found a sign on the way that said there was a dam here, so we stopped at Canning Dam to explore and it did not disappoint. It was very, very pretty.
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love, all that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
Oh, you're like a mountain goat.
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love, all that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
This one for you. I get the yellow plate.
What a beautiful day.
Yeah.
I can put my drink on. Just go and see what's down there.
Where you are?
Yeah. Look, Dad.
Where are you going?
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Here.
Hi.
All right.
Oh, careful. Oopsie daisy.
photograph of us. so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home.
It's pretty,
And it
isn't
really
it?
got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause
Here it comes.
I miss you and all those things we did back then.
There it is.
I'll wait here, okay?
Okay, send it to Daddy.
Watch it, okay?
It's funny how times roll by.
So you've got to pop it in the hole. Throw it in the hole.
Is it 12 years since last time?
Yeah, or there. That'll go. Yeah, here it comes, Dad.
What's the score?
There it is.
Go see.
Mummy's one.
Oh, nice.
Blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay 'cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though
Yeah.
it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Killing time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top.
I'll see if I can
We
find
were
the
clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then.
That was cool. You climb up there.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through.
Wow, you made
Everything's
it.
about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop. I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm
You
gonna
did
let
it.
myself enjoy the fruit
Good
from
one.
this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop. I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up.
Oh,
I won't
yeah.
slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. I am on my way up. I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you. You
8,
got me too.
9, 10, and 11.
Well done.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too.
That's cool.
Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you.
Whoa.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too?
Hang on a minute. Just go to that bathroom.
Go. Go. Oh.
Maybe this.
Go.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
Woo!
Ready again? Way out there.
Whoa!
Go. Come on.
Oh, ready? Oh, don't scare the babies. Oh look!
And I get the big one. Then that's the wet one. How did you climb over there? How did you climb over there? They won't get anywhere.
He's crawling. What did you do today?
So the boys are just shooting,
Yep,
and then we went on a picnic,
yep.
and then we started to just
Played on the playground.
play on the playground, and then
We went to the river.
went to the river,
Mm-hmm.
and then we went home.
And now we're waiting for the boys at the shooting range, aren't we? But it's a bit loud, so we're hanging in the car.
Yeah, we are, aren't we?
Yeah. So it's hurting Isaiah's ears and making him sad. Boom. So we're waiting in the car. And Isaiah's got 2 hats on.
Look,
Ooh. 1, 2. Looks cool.
then was
So we're back on the road heading home now, and it's such a beautiful sunset as we're driving. It actually took us a while to figure out that there was a sheep in the trailer in front of us. So funny. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to drop us a comment in the comment box and we can have a chat, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Won't say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind?